Okay, so to do this tiny monkey fist, all we're going to be using is the paracord as a core. So what you want to do is an overhand knot. So wrap it around your finger like that, get the end, poke it through, and then pull that knot right the way down, as close to the end as you possibly can. So you've got that going on, okay? Now what we're going to do, get your two fingers, put the knot in between your two fingers like that, and then we're going to wrap it round twice, vertical. So once, twice. So you've got two loops at the top, two loops at the bottom. Then what you're going to do is go horizontal. So you go around the back, pull it through your fingers like that. Just once. Do it again. Bring it round the back. Pull it through. That's twice. Make sure that everything is nicely stacked, one on top of the other. Now, what we do is take the cord carefully, keep everything together off your fingers. And now the cord is going to go through the top and underneath. We're going to do that twice. So it goes through the top. And then we're going to poke it through the top again. This is where the cord comes out at the top, like that. So that's what you've got going on. You've got your two cords at the top, two at the bottom, two on this side, two on that side, two here, two there. Make sure you've got two passes on everything, okay? Now, if you haven't released your fingers at all and you're holding the knot as it is, you know that the knot, the overhand knot, is still in the middle and is joined to this cord. So the knot is actually here. Okay, so all you do now is pull on that cord. No, you don't pull it tight, you just pull it into place. And because it's just a 2-pass knot, I like to follow it round. You don't have to. All I'm doing, getting that twist out and following the knot all the way around. So that's all I've done. I've pulled everything into place. You can see the shape coming, but you can also see it's quite loose. So all you need to do is do it again. So I've tightened everything up and it doesn't look too bad. Now my big tip for making a monkey fist is make more monkey fist. Practice really does make perfect. I would also start by making these tiny ones because you get to learn how to make the knot. Everybody wants to start doing 1-inch steel balls in order to make things like this, but no, I really would start small like that. Now if you want to see another monkey fist video, go there. Otherwise, give us a thumbs up if you haven't, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.